So, do I need to know the coding to become an AI engineer? That is the question that has been asked most of the times, and my answer is always means I keep answering this couple of times, and so my short answer is yes, you need to know coding, but the long answer, let's discuss this because this is very important. And in the new AI world, you don't need to be pro in coding from the first day if you want to become an AI engineer, or if you want to move towards the AI engineering role, because the primary need is definitely coding, but it is not like that you need to be perfect or you need to be proficient in coding. And you can start learning the coding, and there are AI tooling available in the market now which is widely open. So my advice would be start playing with Codex, start playing with Claude, start playing with GitHub Copilot. There are many tools available, and start writing some basic programs. And now the next question would be, what is an AI engineer basically? What AI engineer does? All those kind of questions. But we can definitely cover those in the next videos. And you can tell me what your questions are. If you want me to cover something, I am an AI engineer based in UK, and I do AI engineering role all the time. And AI engineering is not just about coding only. It involves many other things as well, like architecture, design, discussion, different things there that happen within the AI engineering role. So it is difficult to cover in one single video, but we can definitely cover it. So comment or just send me the DM. What are the next questions that you want me to cover? So I'm going to start a series called Thoughtful Wednesday, and I will try that every Wednesday I cover some of the topics, and this is one of those. And if you didn't subscribe to my YouTube channel, or if you didn't follow me on Instagram, then please follow, and you will keep seeing such type of videos, such type of insights about AI, about AI engineering, and what AI engineering is basically, what you need to know, what you need to do. All that stuff will be covered there. So thank you for watching this. Thanks. Bye.